I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're facing a billing dispute on DoorDash, follow these steps to get it resolved smoothly. Step 1. Log into your DoorDash account. Start by visiting the DoorDash website and logging into your account using your email and password. This is essential to access your order history and billing details. Step 2. Access your order history. Once logged in, navigate to the Orders section found in the menu. This will allow you to view all your past orders and identify the one related to the dispute. Step 3. Select the disputed order. Find a specific order that you believe has a billing error. Click on it to view the details, including the total charges and any additional fees. Step 4. Initiate a dispute. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Provide details and submit. Fill out the form with a clear explanation of the billing dispute. Be specific about the charges you believe are incorrect. After reviewing your information, submit the dispute. Remember, if you don't see the report and issue button, it might be because the order is older than a certain time frame, so check the date. I hope this guide helps you resolve your billing issue quickly. Good luck.